My name is Fathi Bashe. I was born here in Hargeisa. My initiative is called Fathi Initiative. It's a grassroots SDGs platform or non-governmental organization with the purpose of bringing solutions and awareness to the SDGs, because most of Somalis, they don't know what's SDGs, the importance of SDGs, and how can we work together. My first time I heard the word SDGs or global goals or Agenda 2030 is when I was in the university. When I am explaining the Somalis the meaning of SDGs and their role, I think for me it's a little bit easier because I explained them into Somali language, because we translated the whole SDGs, the 17 goals, the targets, the indicators into Somali. We also give them some SDG tools so they can take action. If we tackle the climate crisis or the climate action before 2030, I think we can achieve the SDGs. There's small actions. We give them the private sector some small tips. For example, the plastic ban. For example, we encourage to plant more trees. Mostly, I ask support for some of the private sector companies and some of the civil society members. At this moment, I need so bad, for example, SDG material, and at the second one is space. So I can train more the young people, for example, sometimes organize some networking events, so I can bring the civil society members, the youth and the private sector into one table.